Are you looking to build a successful career in digital marketing and earn money online? Well, you've landed in the right place. Today, we'll share 5 powerful ways you can start making money as a digital marketer. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to explore new opportunities, digital marketing is a field full of potential. So, stick with me till the end of this video for some valuable tips, and we'll also point you to some great courses to get you started. Let's dive in. Freelancing. One of the most popular ways to earn from digital marketing is by becoming a freelancer. You can offer services like SEO, social media management, content creation, or paid advertising on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. However, there's one common mistake that most beginners make: diving in without mastering the skills first. So, before creating your profile and offering your services, make sure you invest time in learning digital marketing. Do an internship or work with an agency to get hands-on experience. Once you've mastered your skills, freelancing can be a goldmine for you. E-commerce. If you've ever thought about selling products online, digital marketing gives you the perfect platform to start your own e-commerce business. But here's a twist: start small with low investment. Instead of manufacturing products or stocking inventory, you can explore local wholesale markets, click some pictures, and list products online. You only need to purchase when an order comes in. This reduces upfront costs and risks. Want an even better idea? Go digital. Create and sell digital products like templates, plugins, or courses. Digital products don't run out of stock, require no inventory management, and offer unlimited earning potential. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic way to generate passive income. You promote someone else's products, and when a sale happens through your link, you earn a commission. Most people think affiliate marketing is only for bloggers, but that's not true anymore. You can leverage paid ads or even promote products on social media to earn faster. Affiliate marketing is perfect for anyone who wants to build a long-term source of passive income. Creating and selling digital products. Creating digital products like ebooks, software, or design tools offers high profit margins with no need to worry about shipping or handling. Once you create the product, it can be sold an unlimited number of times. And guess what? You can even bundle this with your other digital marketing services for a more comprehensive offering. The key here is automation. Set up your product and let the sales roll in while you focus on scaling. SaaS, software as a service. This is one of the most lucrative avenues. If you can develop software tools or provide a solution that solves a problem, you can sell it as a service. The best part? You can offer subscription-based plans, so your income keeps recurring month after month. Once you build the software, you'll have continuous revenue with minimal ongoing costs. So, there you have it, 5 awesome ways to make money from digital marketing. Freelancing, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, and building SaaS businesses. Now it's up to you to pick the path that suits you best. And remember, if you're serious about making it big in this field, I've shared some amazing course links in the description. These will help you build the skills you need to succeed in digital marketing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to SEOCurrent, and share this video with anyone looking to break into digital marketing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.